Hi, I'm Tony from Chewy. Treat your pal to a tasty reward with Newman's Own Dog Treats. With Newman's Own Dog Biscuits, you can give your pal a crunchy snack made with organic barley flour. If they prefer a meaty treat, try Newman's Own Jerky Treats in beef, chicken, or turkey made with high-quality ingredients like grass-fed, whole muscle beef from New Zealand. For pups who enjoy soft treats, Newman's Own Snack Sticks and Snack Bites are soft, non-GMO treats that also have organic, farm-raised beef, chicken, or turkey as their #1 ingredient. Plus, Newman's Own Functional Snack Sticks are breakable sticks with organic, farm-raised chicken as their #1 ingredient. What makes Newman's Own Dog Treats even more rewarding? 100% of the profits go to charity.
Yay!
Newman's Own Foundation supports charities like Fidelco, which partners exceptional blind men and women with elite-bred German Shepherd guide dogs. Feel good about rewarding your pup with Newman's Own. I'm Tony. Thanks for watching. Bye. It's just like Grandma used to make.